Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a really easy affiliate marketing method using Digistore24.com products, and it's easy enough that you can get started with this today, and it's going to be on a site that gets some really good traffic, and it's 100% free to do and free traffic, and you should be able to get your products up there, and you can use this with any niche that you want to use it and get your products up on this particular site and begin to have a chance to make some pretty good money. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on it here. But first of all, let's get the to-dos out of the way for those of you that are new to my videos or to my channel. My name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel that you see right here on your screen. And if this is your first time here to my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and reach down there below the video right now, click that red subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, and you can be the first to know when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alright, well, with that out of the way, guys, let's go ahead and get started in on this method. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here to, of course, Digistore24. Now, it's free to sign up here on Digistore24. You can see we're right here up here in the address bar, Digistore24.com right there. And it's free to register on this site, guys. This whole thing is free, I told you. Just come up here where you see my mouse is right up here, and you want to click on Register Now. And that brings you over here, and it's just easy enough to fill out your form here. You want to sign up either as a vendor and affiliate or just as an affiliate, but do not sign up just as a vendor, because we're doing this as affiliate marketing today. And then you want to pick a username, and that username will be part of your affiliate link more than likely. So it's going to be like on CLICKBANK, it's going to be your account nickname. And then fill in your email, repeat it, and then choose a password, make it strong, and then your time zone. Like I said, this is all over the world, guys. And then fill out the rest of the form right here and come down. Make sure that you check this box right here about the contract and privacy policy here. And then if you want to get newsletters, check that box, and then just click the register for free now, and they will send you an email confirmation. So you want to check that out and get your account validated with Digistore24. And then what you want to do is come back over and you want to get logged in. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with my account right here. Click on the marketplace link, and that brings you over here, and you can see all the different product categories or the niches that you can do this in. And guys, today, for today's example, I'm going to use the weight loss niche, and I'm going to be using this Metacore product right here. And as you can see, you can make $129.22 per sale on this, and it does have some upsells as well, so you can potentially probably even make even more than that at any one time. But you can see you can do it in the make money online niche, you can do it in the relationship niche right here, guys, and you can go into the fitness and health, such as what I'm in, and there's lots of other niches here that you can choose a product that you like to use in your marketing or your affiliate marketing today. So what we want to do is we have our link right here. Once you get logged in, you click on the promote now or whatever, and it gives you your link right down here below. This is going to be our affiliate link that we want to use right here. Alright, so the next thing we want to do is we want to come over to this site right here. We want to get an article. We're going to use its PLR.com right up here, you see in the address bar, guys. And this is a free PLR article directory. These articles are free to use. They are 100% copyright free, and you can use them and make changes to them any way that you want to. So for this particular method, now I've already jumped ahead a little bit here, and I did a search, came down here. You can see all the niches, guys, right here in this column on the right here. There's all kinds. What I did was I came down here to the bottom for weight loss, since I'm doing a weight loss product today for this example, and I clicked right on weight loss right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's right there, weight loss, and that brought up a whole heap of articles, and I just went down and picked one, and I picked this easy to follow weight loss tips article right here. So what we want to do is we want to copy, we're going to use this article right here. Now, what we want to do though is we want to come over to this site right here. This site here, I don't know if I'm going to be able to pronounce this right, but I think it's Miro MAIYRO.com, Myro.com, I guess, or it could be Mayro, I don't know. But this is the site that we're going to use. This is a pretty young site. It's up and coming, and not many people have posted a lot of articles yet on this site, but there are going to be some, as you'll see. I'll show you here. But what you want to do, this is a site where people can start writing and post anything they want, and even affiliate links are allowed. You don't have to sign up. You don't have to pay anything. This is a free site, guys. As you see, there is no pricing up here or anything like that. All you want to do is click Join Now, or you can scroll to the bottom like you seen a moment ago right here, and you can sign up with your Gmail account or your LinkedIn account, your Twitter account, or create a local account right here. So all I did was I just used my Gmail account. So when you click on that and sign in, and then when you get signed in, guys, it brings you over here. Once you fill out sort of a profile thing right here and put in a website, or even if it's just you don't have a website, you can put in like a landing page, or even use your Linktree landing page site if you want to. Just put some sort of a website URL. And not all of these are required, guys. As you see, I didn't fill all these out myself. And then just click Build the Profile, or you can skip it and over here to the right and skip this step, and then just come over, and it should bring you over into the back office, so to speak, on this site here, which it does. And after that, it'll want you to sign up and to join some of these groups right here. These are just groups, guys, and you can connect with other people that are on this site as well right here to start getting a following here, which is probably a good thing if you're going to be posting affiliate products on here. You want to get people to follow you on here, and you'll be able to follow them back, sort of like a follow for follow kind of thing, kind of like an Instagram or any kind of a social media site like that. This is sort of like a community social media site right here, guys. So, but I'm going to skip that for now. I'll just come over here to the right and click skip, and that should bring me back into the back office here like this. And you see that there are some articles right here that people are posting here on this site. Now, over here in the column on the left, guys, you can see you have your home, new posts, topics, users, jobs, even analytics, and you can invite people as well, and so on and so forth, to come to this site. Now, so what we want to do, though, is we want to click on, actually, if I do it, I want to show you that there are people using affiliate products on this site. I want to show you, for example, if we click, if I type in weight loss, and you can see that there are other people here offering CLICKBANK products and other weight loss products right here, and you can see there's not very many yet, guys, very many posts on this site. So that means that this site it's up and coming, it's new. You want to get your affiliate products onto this site as soon as you can, because it's a young upcoming site, and as it grows in popularity, your products and your affiliate products will already be there as it's growing, and then give you a more opportunity to reach a lot of people and make some sales on your affiliate products. So there's in weight loss. If you want to use even affiliate marketing, if we go affiliate marketing and press enter, you can use any kind of keywords, but you can see there are people offering affiliate marketing products here, guys, for sale as well. So that's we know that they do allow these articles on here. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to create a new post ourselves. So we're going to click over here on the left. You see where it says new post here, and click on that, and that brings this up right here. So we can create a new post. Now, so what I want to do is I want to come back and get our article, right? So we're going to come back and we're going to highlight this article right here, and then just right click and copy it and bring it over, and then we're going to come over here. We want to grab our article, which we did here, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you an easy way to do this. We can import it. So we want to copy our link up here to the article in the site plr.com. Come back over here. What we want to do is we want to click on import the post. This makes it really easy here, guys. I just saw this. So if I click on that, and it says you can import your post in up with account greater than 150 or less. It's anything less than 250 will not be imported. So our article was 400 words, so if we post that in there like that, you see I posted in my article link there, and then I just click import, and then wait a second, and you can see that it's imported it right here. Then what we want to do is we want to click on it, and then we want to click on edit right here. It brings it over here. Now we have it, and it's even got the title in here, guys. So what we want to do is we just want to kind of make it look nice. So we're going to take a couple of sentences here, and we're just going to kind of make it look nice so it's not so jumbled up like this. Come down here. It'll take me just a moment here, guys. I'll be right back in just a moment. I'm going to straighten this out. Okay, guys, I'm back here. As you can see, I've sort of straightened this article out and made some paragraphs out of it here just to make it look nicer. And then as you can see, I put double gaps in between these two paragraphs right here. And this is where we're going to put our affiliate link at right here. Now, for that, we'll just say click here to learn more about how to lose weight effectively. Okay, I'll spell it right here again. We will be in good shape. Click here to learn more about how to lose weight effectively, and then what we're going to do is I'm just going to kind of bold that a little bit, make that bolder, and then we can add a link in on that link. So we're going to make an anchor link with our Digistore24. So we come back here and we copy that, and then highlight it and click copy and bring it back over here, and then we click on the link. You see the link button right here, guys, where my mouse is. Click on that, and that allows us to put a link in right here, and then we can do that, and then just bang, it saves it and makes that a link. And then all we want to do is we can just highlight it and copy it, and then come down here and paste it again right there, and that has our affiliate link in right there. So we've got our affiliate link in there a couple of different places in our article. So see what you want to do. Now also, if you want, you can attach an image. I'm not going to do it for this video, but it's easy enough. You can just upload it from your computer, something related to your niche. So it'd be something related to weight loss. You could put an image in your post if you want. Probably recommended to do that. Images seem to attract more attention than ones that don't have images, okay? But not going to do it for this example, but you can do that. Now, at that point, it's just a matter of publishing the post, guys. Click on publish, and it says right up here, your post has been published successfully, you see there. And then you can see it's right here, and then people can view it. Look already, guys, it's incredible. I just posted it a couple of seconds ago, and it's already got 2 views on it right there. You see that, guys, to the right there? And so at that point, you know, if somebody sees this, you know, and they click on our affiliate link, it's going to bring them over here to the product, guys. And you can see that our affiliate link is in there in that product thing. And then if they purchase, it's just a matter of them purchasing and us getting paid, what, $129.22 at least on the initial sale. Guys, that is how you do that. That's the method I had for you today. It's very easy. You're doing it on a website that is up and coming and new and doesn't have a lot of people on it yet, so it's your advantage to come take advantage on this and begin to get your products. You can do this with CLICKBANK products too. I mean, you can do it with any affiliate product you want and get your products posted up in articles on this site. You can use plr.com for free. There's no copyright issues or anything like that. Or you can also use ezinearticles.com, or you can do, there's plenty of other PLR sites and article sites you can look up on Google and derive articles from them as well. But that's how you do that, guys. That's the method I had for you today on how you can make money posting articles on Miro, if I'm pronouncing that right, guys, Miro.com here. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video, reach down there and give me a thumbs up below there. And if you have any comments or any questions about this video, just reach down below there in the comment section and leave them there, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can on that. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell down there so that you get notified when I upload new videos. And if you want to see my #1 affiliate marketing business and how you can learn how to have high ticket sales and affiliate marketing, you want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com, the top of my description, like I always tell you guys, and come over and come through my funnel and see how you can get started with high ticket affiliate marketing. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care and have a great day. Bye-bye now.